Hi, it's HReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Honor Magic V5. So first, take your cable and check if it isn't broken in any way. As you can see, it's fine. Then, flip your phone and at the bottom of it, there is a charging port. Clean it with non-metallic tools such as Q-tips, wooden sticks or compressed air. Then just try your cable and an outlet with another phone, or try this phone with another outlet and cable. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.